Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional in today's newspaper of Friday, November the 22nd, 2022. 2024, and I've already solved 2 puzzles with 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, boys and girls. This one will be number 9641. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then come on. Well. One, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Come on. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Overlooked. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Finished. 2 minutes. Wow. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF, also can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.